Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Technology. Today, we're diving into the brand new Samsung Galaxy A37, a budget-friendly phone that's creating quite the buzz in 2025. But is it worth your money? Let's break it down, from design to performance, and see if this one's a hit or a miss. Starting with design, the Galaxy A37 brings a sleek, minimalistic look with Samsung's familiar plastic back that feels premium in hand. It's slim, lightweight, and comes in some fresh color options like ice blue, graphite grey, and sunset pink. Now onto the display, you're getting a 6.6-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED panel with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. For a phone in this price range, that's fantastic. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and whether you're streaming videos or scrolling through social media, it looks crisp and fluid. Under the hood, the A37 is powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset or Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 in some regions, paired with 6 or 8 GB of RAM for day-to-day tasks like browsing, apps, light gaming, and even some multitasking. This phone handles itself pretty well. Samsung's One UI 6.1 based on Android 14 is clean, user-friendly, and comes with thoughtful features like edge panels, secure folder, and Samsung Wallet. Plus, you get for years of software updates, which is rare in this segment. On the back, the A37 rocks a triple camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, a 5MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP depth sensor. In good lighting, the main camera captures sharp, detailed shots with Samsung's usual punchy colors. The ultra-wide is decent for landscape shots, though not the best at night. The front camera is a 13MP shooter, perfect for selfies and video calls, with decent skin tones and dynamic range. Night mode and portrait mode are improved over previous series models, too. The Galaxy A37 comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which can easily last a full day, even with heavy use. It supports to 5W fast charging, though the charger is sold separately. Other features include stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, expandable storage up to 1TB, and 5G connectivity, making it future-ready. So, should you buy the Samsung Galaxy A37? If you're looking for a reliable mid-range phone with a stunning AMOLED display, decent performance, a solid camera for everyday use, and Samsung's trusted ecosystem, this is a great choice under a budget. It's not a gaming beast or a photography flagship, but for most people, the A37 delivers excellent value in 2025. Let us know in the comments what you think of this phone, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews right here on Future Technology. Catch you in the next one.